Hello everyone, today I will show how we can track e-commerce website using Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager template. Good news is we don't need to create any tag, triggers or variables. We can track entire e-commerce website with just some clicks. So without further delay, let's get started. First we need to create a Google Tag Manager account. I have already created. I'm showing how you can easily create. Just go to tagmanager.google.com and as you can see here is you will get a add new account option. Just type your business name. I'm using my domain name and select your country and you can take it. You can set your container ID, enter your business ID and select the web and create it. I have already created and this is my Google Tag Manager container. Now we need to connect Google Tag Manager container to our website. Okay, now we need to go to your website. I'm going to my dashboard and enable. I'm using a plugin for enable data layer and Google Tag Manager container connected. Just you can type GTM or Google Tag Manager. Okay, and you will get a GTM for WP plugin. Install now and activate. And go to setting and Google Tag Manager and put you need to paste here Google Tag Manager ID. This is our Google Tag Manager ID. Click and copy the our GTM ID, paste and save and now reload. And as you can see our container is off. We need to click the one save and now go to our tag manager is successfully installed or not. And we need to Google Tag Assistant Legacy plugin. You will get a plugin by Google search. You can easily and enable and reload. And if I go to if I again go to Google Tag Assistant Legacy, and as you can see our tag assistant is successfully installed. Okay, now we need to check our data layer is enabled or not. Again go to Google Tag Manager and go to preview, copy your website URL and go to Google Tag Assistant and paste your website URL and connect. Now if I go to a single product page and if I go to Google Tag Assistant, and as you can see here is no event is fired because this is a view item event. Then add to cart event, as you can see here is no event is fired. Now we need to enable our data layer for dynamic track the value, title or etc. Okay, now again go to our plugin setting and Google Tag Manager and go to integration e-commerce and enable track enhance e-commerce, mark the track enhance e-commerce and save change. If I again go to our Google Tag Manager preview, and if I visit the any single product page, and as you can see our view item is fired. If I go to data layer, and as you can see here is our data layer is in a bolt. Okay, now we can track any product or any price value etc. Okay, now we need to I am finish it and close it. Now we need to input our GTM template. I will give the template link in the description box, don't worry. Now we need to go to admin section and go to import container, select the choose container file. This file I will give you, don't worry. And I have import the file and choose workshop existing, select the default workshop, and as you can see our 2 tags, 1 triggers and 10 variables. Now we need to confirm. I'm overwriting, and if I go to tags, sorry, again I'm importing. Go to admin, import container, select the file, again existing, default workshop, again confirm. If I go to tags, now successfully is imported. This is our triggers and variables, and we don't need to any variables. Okay, and as you can see here is all variables are available, and triggers here is all events is use the regex machine, view item list, select item, add to cart, remove cart. Okay, you don't need to create any events. And tags, and now we need to create our Google Analytics account. Just go to analytics.google.com and type your business name. Okay, and select all option. Next, use the same property name. Your business name is, choose your country, your time zone, your website currency. This means currency means is your product currency. Okay, choose your product currency and show advance. Now next. Okay, and this is very simple, just select your sum option. Okay, and create it. I have already created my container ID. This is very simple. I have already created my analytics in GA4 property. This is my GA4 property, and now we need to go to data streams. You need to create our data streams, and I have already created. Just add to streams and web. Select web and yes, and try enter your website URLs. Remove the HTTP and enter your business name or website name, then just create streams. Okay, and I have already created. I am just copying. Sorry, now we need to create. This is for Shopify. I am creating add streams. Yes. Create stream and just copy the measurement ID. Just close and copy the measurement ID. And if not find the stream option, just go to stream and again go to your web property above all, and you can see here is your website. Just copy and copy the measurement ID. Okay, now go to Google Tag Manager, go to GA4 configure tags, GA4 configure all pages. Just replace the measurement ID and save and submit. And now successfully our e-commerce tracking is done. Okay, now how can I check? Go to analytics, go to configure. This configure option is moved to go to admin and go to debug view, and now we need to go to reload workspace and reload it. We need to go to preview, enter your website URL, connect, and go to any product, created some events, view item, update cart or add to cart, remove cart, push it to checkout, and now purchase. If I go to our tag assistant, and as you can see, here is our purchase is successful, our variable is now working. This is our full e-commerce variable, our currency, our e-commerce item, this is product, our e-commerce transaction ID, this is our e-commerce value, event, e-commerce transaction ID. We have already created here these variables. Our transaction ID, and if I go to e-commerce transaction ID, and we have already created here the e-commerce.transaction IDs. Okay, we don't need to create any variables. And if I go to Google Analytics, and as you can see, here is our event is came from website. This is our past visit, view item list, select item means product select. Okay, and this is our view item means product view item. And if I go to items, and as you can see, here is product details, item ID, quantity, item name, brand, categories, prices, $40.46. If I go to add to cart, and again, as you can see, here is our add to cart value is, our currency is our, if I go to items, and as you can see, these items come from our tags, our e-commerce all events, and as you can see, here is our events parameter, as our items parameters, our currency coupon, we have don't use any coupon, and as you can see easily, as you can see, price, item category, brand, and parameter is value. This is our event parameter name is value. Okay, then as you can see, here is our add to cart, view item list, view cart. Again, as you can see, our view cart, and as you can see, here is our remove cart. Okay, and as you can see, our purchase, our purchase value is $131, $131, 131. That creates it. Our order number is 1324. Our order number is, transaction ID is 1324. If you use tax, it will show shipping charge is $10. Okay, now we have successfully tracked our e-commerce website. If you want to track your Shopify e-commerce website, you can easily contact with me. Okay, I want to help you for track your e-commerce website, any types of e-commerce website. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.